Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, most welcome to all of you and good morning to all. Dear students, inshallah today we will learn exercise 4.2. So please let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, light and sound quality, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? And in the comment section you can give your attendance and also you can invite your friends to connect with us. So dear students, within a short time we are going to start our topic. Please let me know. Now 90 plus students now connected with us. Okay, dear students, first give attention. This is a number like the 16. Suppose this is the number. Content is exercise 4.2. The 16, if we find the LCM, 16 divided by 2, this one will be 8. Then 8 divided by 2, this one will be 4. And 4 divided by 2, this one will be 2. And so 2 is the last smallest number. Now in 16, what we see here, 16 is the multiplication of 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we can write here 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called 2 to the power 4. So this 2 to the power indeed 4, that is our fourth power of 2, indicate us the 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Similarly in 32, we can write here 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Like if we find that 32 divided by 2, you will get here 16. Divided by 2, you will get here 8. Divided by 2, 4. Divided by 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 2 to the power 5 equal 32. So here, which one? This 2 is called base. 2 is called base and 4 is called index. This is called index. This is called index. And this 2 is called base. Already we know how to find here. Base is 2 and 5 is index. Okay, now attention again. If the one number is 8, if we find the 2, 4 and this is the 2 and 2. Another number, okay, if we multiply this one is 2 cube. Okay, if we multiply with 32, that means the result of 32 is 2 to the power 5. This one is the result of 8, this one is the result of 32. So if we multiply both, the total will be 2 to the power 3 plus 5. That means 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 is the result of, I think, 32 multiply. This one is 32 multiply with the 8. This one is 8 to the 16, 6 carry 1. 8 3 is the 24. This is the 25. And 25 is the result of 2 to the power 8. So my dear students, give attention here. Let me explain first. This is the 32. That means 32 is the 2 to the power 5. Attention, 32 2 to the power 5, 8 2 to the power 3. If we multiply 32 and 8, this one will be 256. which is total result of 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 5, that means 3 plus 5 to the power 8. If you find the number here like 200, 256 first divided by 2. 256 is 1, 2 and this one is 8. Now 2, 6, 4. Again 2, this one is 3, 2. Divided by 2, this one will be 16. And divided by 2, this one will be 8. Divided by 2, this one will be 4. Divided by 2, this one will be 2. Now count. In 256, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the total. 2 to the power 8 equals to 256. But 266 is the multiplication of 32 and 8. So we can find here with their exponential form. With their exponential form, we can find the same result. So, dear students, if you multiply here like 2 to the power 2 multiply with 2 to the power 7, the result will be 2 to the power 2 plus 7, that is 2 to the power 9. I think this concept is clear to you. My dear students, please let me know how to find the multiplication of x2 exponential. I think this concept is clear to you or not. Please let me know. If you have any question, please let me know. And if possible, find the number like 3 to the power 5 multiply with 3 to the power 6. What will be result here? Anyone, please write down. What will be the result of 3 to the power 5 multiply with the 3 to the power 6? Please write the correct answer here. 3 to the power 11. Absolutely right answer. This one will be, they are the same base. So in times of same base, we can write here 3, 5 plus 6. That is 3 to the power 11. This is our answer. Here 3 is called base and 11 is called power or index. Power or index, and this is called base. Okay, dear students, I will discuss this one again. Okay. If we write down here like a to the power 3 multiply with a to the power 7, what will be result here? And what will be result? Number 1, please write down this one. Number 2, a to the power 3 multiply with a to the power minus 2. And what will be result of number 2? Okay, I will discuss this one. The first question, here base is a, here also base is a. So there are two same base exponential. Together they call exponential. That same base exponential, we can take here one base. Then simply we can add 3 plus 7. That is a to the power 10. Absolutely right answer. But here what we can see here, a, this is the 3 and this is minus 2. So 3 add with minus 2. 3 add with minus 2. This one will be 3 plus minus 2 and this is a to the power 1. So this is a to the power 1, or we can write here only a. So this only a and a to the power 1, they are the same. There is also invisible index 1. This is the visible index. So a to the power 1, you can write here only a. This is our answer. And here a to the power 10 is our answer. So I think now this is clear to yes, a to the power 1. A to the power 1 or a. Answer a to the power 1 or a. Answer is a or a to the power 1. Okay, dear students, now we will come back to, okay, just let me explain another one. What will be result? Who can say this one? Like this one will be like, if we multiply 2 to the power 2 multiply with 2 to the power 3 multiply with 3 to the power 5 multiply with 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power minus 2. What will be result here? There are the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 exponential from we are going to multiply. First and second one, there are the same base. First and second one, we see here the same base. So from first and second one, we can write here 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 plus 3. From second and third one, from third and fourth one, we can write here 3 to the power 5 plus there is minus 2. But give attention here. 2 and 2, they have the same base, but they are not same with the 3. 2 and 2, so we will add here only the power of 2, here only the power of 3. So now, here we can write the first one, 2 to the power 5 multiply with 3 to the power 5 minus 2. Now this is 2 to the power 5 multiply with 3 to the power 3. Now what will be the final result? What will be the final result if we multiply here 2 to the power 5, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and then 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. And if we multiply this all digit, the result will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54, 54 2s are 108, 108 2 times 216, 216 2 times 432, 432 2 times 432 2 times 864. I think final result will be 864. Okay. 4 to the power 3 multiply with 4 to the power minus 2 multiply with 3 to the power 2 multiply with 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 3 to the power only 3. What will be result here? My dear students, write down this answer. 864 is our right answer. 864. Okay, dear students, what will be answer this one? This one will be 4 to the power 3 plus this is the minus 2. And then 3 to the power, this is 2. There is invisible 1. There is no power means invisible 1. So invisible 1, that the 4 to the power 1 multiply with 3 to the power 3. So now 4 to the power 1 means 4. This is the 3 multiply 3. This is 27 multiply 4. This one will be 27 multiply 4 and answer 108. This is 108, our right answer. The first question, what we see here, number 1, 1, 2. Do the simplification here. This is a to the power 3 multiply with a to the power 5. Okay, my dear students, what will be answer here? The first question and another question number 4. Number 4 here. Number 4 m multiply with m square multiply with n cube multiply with m cube multiply with n to the power 7. This is the question number 4. m square m cube n to the power 7. What will be answer here? Yes, first question answer is a to the power 3 plus 1 plus 5. That means a to the power 9. This is our first answer. The second question, give attention here. How many n here? N to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3. m, this is the m, there is also m, there is also m. So m to the power invisible 1, 2 and 3. The next one, the next we can write here the n. So now multiply with n to the power, this is the 3 plus 7, n to the power 3. So now m will be m to the power, this is the m to the power 5 and 6, multiply with n to the power 10, and this is our answer, n to the power 6 and n to the power 9. So dear students, I think the concept is clear. Now let me explain the question number 5, and n to the power 6 and n to the power 10. Thank you sir, absolutely right answer. Okay, dear students, n to the power 10, thank you. Okay, now we will discuss another one, another next question. Okay, this is the question number 6, the 6 number question here. 2 x square multiply with y square multiply with 2 z square multiply with 3 y square multiply with 4x square. First multiply all coefficient. My dear students, this is there is base x and the index is 2 and the coefficient is also 2. This is the coefficient invisible 1, there is the coefficient 2, the coefficient is 3 and coefficient is 4. First multiply all coefficient 2, 3 and 4. The multiplication of all coefficient 2, there is invisible 1, so no need to multiply. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. They are all coefficient. Now x, and multiply with the x, and x will be like if you multiply with the x power is 2, so we can write here 2 plus 2, and then y power will be, if we find the y, multiply the y power is 2 and 2, so 2 plus 2. Is there any more y 2 and 2. Next one is z, so multiply with z square. This is the all coefficient, this is the power of x and power of y, power of z. So now final answer will be, this is the 12, 24, 48. This is the 48, x to the power 2 and y to the power 2 and z to the power 2. There is no sign in between x, y, z which indicate us multiplication or dot, like 4 times of x, 4 times of x or 4x. All are the same. Times, multiply. So they are all are multiplied. In the final line we don't need to write multiplication symbol. This also indicate the 48 times of x square, y square, z square. I think this is clear to you, my dear students. Please let me know. This is the question number 5. The question number 5, 3a multiply with 4b multiply with twice a multiply with 5c multiply with 3b. Multiply with 3b. 5 and 3b. Okay. What we see here? The coefficient 3 multiply 4 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. They are all the coefficient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we see in here a. The a to the power, there is 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1. A to the power 1 plus 1. Multiply with b. b to the power b to the power 1 plus 1. And now c, only there is, we see here only one c. So 3 to the power b and c. Now this answer will be 15. 15 multiplied 2 times. I think 15 multiplied 15 4 jar. 15 multiplied 2 times 30. 30 multiplied 4 times 120. 120 multiplied with the 3 times 360. I think this is the 360 multiplied with a square, b square and the c. Final answer is c. So dear students, I think this concept is now clear. Okay, write down the answer, this one. Now this is another extra question. Okay, do this one. 3 to the power x, x to the power 2 multiply with 4 to the power x minus 3 and multiply with 2 to the power x to the power 3 and multiply with 3 to the power y to the power 2 and multiply with 2 to the power y to the power we can write here another only y. Okay, what will be answer here? Okay, please, this answer will be 3 multiply 4 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. This all a numerical number and the multiply with x. 2 minus 3. So this is the 2 plus minus 3 and then plus 3. The x is complete. Now y. The y is 2 plus 1. Now multiply this one again. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 and 12 4 times 48. 12 4 times 48, 48 3 times. This answer will be 144. This is 144 and x to the power, this one is 2 minus 3 plus 3 and then y to the power 3 and the answer will be 144 multiply with x to the power. 2 and 3 they are positive number. 2 and 3 they are positive. So we can write here 5 minus 3 and then y to the power 3. This is 144 multiply with, or finally we can write here x to the power 2 y to the power 3 and this is our final answer. This 3 is minus, then 2 and 3 they are plus, or directly you can eliminate them. If number 2, if x equal to and y equal 1, then x plus y equal what? X plus y equals to what? And x multiply with y equal what? Who can do these two maths, my dear students? The question that if x equal to y equal 1, then x plus y equals to what? And x multiply y equals to what? And another one, the first question. Okay, we will explain this one. Okay, the first one is the solution. X equal to and y equal to 1. Now x plus y will be the value of x to value of y plus 1 equals to 3. 3 is our right answer. Then x multiply with the y. Value of x is 2 multiply with the 1. This is the 2 is our answer. Absolutely right answer. Okay. What will be the answer of x square multiplied with the y cube? What will be answer here? If x equal to y equals to 3, what will be answer this one? X square y cube. This answer will be x. X equal to, that means x equal to, and this is the 2 square. Multiply with y equals to 1 and the y cube. Attention again. The value of x equal to this index remain the same. This is the multiplication symbol. Y equal 1, y equal 1 and y cube remain the same. Okay, dear students, now the result 2 square 2 multiply 2 and 1 cube as 1 multiply 1 and this absolutely answer is also 4. So x cube and x square y cube will be 4. I think this is clear. Yes, answer is the 4 answer. Absolutely right answer. This is the number 4. Okay, now give attention to your academic book. Inshallah, we will discuss this one. The 3 maths. Okay. The question number 2. The question number 2. Number 2. Please note down this one. If a equal 4, number 2, if a equal 2, b equal 3, c equal 1, then find the value number 1, the question number, then find the value. A first question, a cube plus b square. Question number 2, second question, b cube plus c cube. This is not. I will do only the fourth number question. B square minus twice AB and plus A square. So we will do this 4 maths for the value. Okay, solution. The first question solution given. Given that which values are given? The first question A and B. A equal 2 and B equal 3. So A equal to B equals to 3 for the first question, and this is the solution number 1. The first question solution. Now as a given expression, equal A cube plus B square. Given expression, the first one A cube, that means 2 cube. 2 cube plus b square, then 3 square. This is 2 cube, that 2 multiply 2. The 2 cube plus with 3 multiply 3. This one is now 8 plus 9. This is answer is 17. And this is our first question answer 17. My dear students, please let me know if you have any question. The first question answer is 17. 1 minute left. Okay, my dear students, I will discuss just 3 to 4 minutes. Within a short times, we will complete our topics. Can you tell me? Okay, sir. Next question, I will do this one, number 4. Okay, number 4. We can start. This is the number 4. Number 4 given here A and B. So given expression is B square minus twice AB plus A square. So given B square equal B square. So B equals to 3. That means 3 square minus 2A. A means A multiplied with 2 and B equal 3 plus 3 square. Now this one is 3 multiplied 3. 3 multiplied 3. The 2 to the 4. 4 3 the 12 plus 3 multiplied 8, sorry, B equal to 3, A equal to, sorry, I have done a mistake, A equal 2. So now this is the 2 multiplied 2. Now 3 multiplied 3, 3 is the 9, 9 minus 12 plus 4. This is now 9 plus 4 equal 13 minus 12. This is 1. And the final answer is question number 1. Final answer is 1. Dear students, I think this is clear. Please let me know if you have any question. Yes, second question answer is 2. Thank you, sir. Absolutely right answer. No problem. Thank you, sir. Yes, we have remaining 2 minutes. Dear students, inshallah, within this short times, we will complete our topic. Answer is so. Sir, not sir. No, sir, not clear. Okay, let me explain this one. Okay, I will discuss this one again. The question number, this is the question number 4. This is the question number 4, 1 is done. A equal to B equal 3. This information given here. And the question number 4, B square minus twice AB plus A square. The B, value of B equals to 3B square. Twice AB, 2, value of A, value of B. They are multiplied, 2 multiply A multiply B. This is the plus A square, value of A square. 3 square indicate us 3 multiply 3. 3 square indicate us 3 multiply 3. And there are 2 multiply 3, result is 12. 2 square indicate us 2 multiply 2. So 9 minus 12 plus 4. So the 9 plus 9 and 4, they are positive because the previous sign before them, the plus, this is invisible plus. So they are positive number, this one is negative. So now 9 plus 4 equals to 13 minus 12 equals to 1. And this is our right answer. So my dear students, I will give you now few homeworks. Please. Homework. The first question, three a to the power 7 multiply with 5 a to the power minus 5 multiply with 11 a to the power 2. Number second question is 4 a to the power x multiply with 5 a to the power y. Number 3 question, 4a to the power x. Now 3 b to the power 2 multiply with 3 b to the power minus 3 and multiply with 3b. So 3b to the power 2. And number 4, the question is 3a multiply twice b multiply 3a square multiply minus 2b square. What will be total result if we multiply this one? And now the question and another one. This is the A, group A, and they are from the group B. If A equal 2 and B equal 3, find the value of number 1 a cube plus c a square b plus c 3a b square plus b cube. Number 2 a square plus twice ab plus b square. Number 3 is a plus b whole square. So dear student, this is your homework. This questions related with that one, this question related with the b. So if you have any questions, so you can write here. Inshallah, I will try to answer in my next class. And thank you very much. Hopefully see again with you in the next class. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.